So in my next Claudio Graspio show and tell, I'm going to add this little device here. Now this is a classical potentiometer with a wiper that slides across a copper bar and produces a variable resistor, sometimes called a variable resistor. So when I turn it, I get a different value of resistance. Very simply plugged into this board, the three wires from the potentiometer to the S1 port, and the Graspio is going to work with this port configured as an analog port. So again, strange wobbly video, but we have a while loop which runs continuously, and while the potentiometer reading is not 500, we're going to read it. You're going to have the display read it out, the OLED display read it out, and else, if it is 500, we are going to play a pre-recording that we've made earlier. Now again here we're going to output our audio from the Pi to a nearby Bluetooth speaker. So this is it working. In fact, let's go back and let's just show the board update. So that's the board updated with that program there at Flash. Now we home in here, and you can't see, but I'm turning the potentiometer, and you can see as I turn it, a different value is recognised. So I'm right at the right hand side, so minimum resistance. As I turn it through, so actually I was the wrong way around. So I'm going minimum resistance. I'm going maximum resistance, in fact. Let me get that right. So that's minimum resistance at 0, and as I move up, that's maximum resistance. Now, if I happen to tweak that so that it lands on that magic 500 number, because I've programmed it that way, and it's quite sensitive, so
500.
I don't know if you heard that, but there was a pre-recorded message that when it hit 500, it spoke the message, which was 500. We'll do that one more time.
500.
As we went through 500 there, we heard the 500 message, and it's going to keep doing that because although it says 501, we went through 500. So
500.
that's that's a good little demo.
500.